Here I have HUAWEI Mate 10 Lite, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen. From the following menu, let's choose settings icon. Here you have to scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose advanced settings. Then let's tap backup and reset. Choose reset all settings, and here you can read about this operation. Tap reset all settings, and to confirm the operation and to reset all customized settings, tap reset all settings one more time. The device is restoring the default settings of your phone. Let's just wait a couple of seconds. Here you can allow the data transfer if you would like to. In my case, let me tap now. Let's just wait until the whole operation will be completed successfully. Right now, don't interrupt while the resetting process is still in progress. And that's it, everything went well. Now you can use your default settings of your HUAWEI. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.